first thing you're going to need to do is go and log into the account. After logging in, go to the top right where you see the user icon, click on that and then click onto the downloads for your account. Find which product you want to download out of the list and click download. If you need to accept any pop-ups, click accept. Once it's downloaded, you can right click extract all and then extract. This will use Windows and it is quite slow. As you can see here, it's going to take a little bit of time. So what I will do is click on X at the top here, and if you have 7-zip or WinRAR installed, use that instead. Okay, once that's finished, inside this folder you'll have a README with all of the instructions and just some general notes, and then you'll also have an AirRAC folder which has the AirRAC that you just downloaded. Make sure that this matches to the website, as you can see here, and make sure you've got the latest files. With that, you need to go into the London Control installation folder, into the files, copy, drag them over, like so. Once this has been completed, go into the FIR folder, right click ATC INI and edit. Here we're going to check that it has updated properly, as you can see the AirRAC being the correct one, which corresponds to the files and the website. Now the second stage of verification, if you go onto the London Control simulator, right click and run this as administrator. Inside here we are going to check that it's got the latest files as well. So in the simulator, press the Alt key, go to help, about, and then check that it matches the file version, which it does. And that's that.